In this specific video, I'm going to talk about the power of AI using Claude, how you can assist your project planning and scheduling tasks, which were taking a lot of time. But now with the help of AI, this is going to serve you in very amazing way. So stay there till the end of today's video because I am going to show you right now on your screen. You can see Primavera P6, right? Before coming on Primavera P6, this version, you have to deal with this BOQ, which is really very comprehensive, complicated. You have to arrange it, you have to maintain, you have to organize your data, right? And you have to transform that data into very systematic way into WBS, into activities. You have to map out your BOQ, raw data of BOQ into planning data of BOQ, and then get that data into P6. That's what I'm going to help you people just with the help of one simple prompt, how to use Claude AI as your assistant planning engineer. Are you ready for that? So before getting into the detail of today's video, I would request you people to subscribe this channel and write your profession in comment section area. Well, let's start with this BOQ. This is sewage treatment plant. And right now, I'm just showing you the power of Claude AI. But don't think like if it is STP and you belong to road construction project building, it is not having value for you. No, you just write in the comment section area. Maybe in my next video, I'm going to discuss about your project oriented BOQ. So don't forget to write in the comment section area to take away the value of my platform, right? So here we are dealing with this BOQ, and before then, discussing transforming this data into our planning data. Okay, so what was the traditional thing to just run different kind of formulas to segregate WBS activities and all that. But now let me tell you, if I can share with you the simple this prompt, right? This is the simple prompt which I have compiled for you people. And the major strategy which I have just input here is the aim strategy. Now A stands for act, I stands for instructions, and M stands for mission. So in red color I have just this is my aim. I'm telling this Claude AI or Chat GPT or whatever model you are going to use. I'm just trying to tell this one like act as a construction manager for this project, right? Because I want, now these are my instructions till here. I want you to convert this BOQ data into planning BOQ with reasonable, accurate, and justifiable mapping as well. Because, okay, so use BOQ codes. Now, I want this particular BOQ codes which are given in this BOQ to use as WBS codes to just map out as WBS codes to generate project WBS structure with proper WBS levels, and then add task list. Like I'm talking about activities list under lowest level. Like you know it very well that when we break down our project into different kind of WBS, then every single WBS have its own identity, its own level. By we know them by their names. Some of them, the top level WBS are control account, planning packages, and work packages. So that sequence must be in your mindset. Before using this AI, a planning engineer should be carrying enough knowledge, enough data in his or her own mind. Like they must add those keywords. They can communicate with AI model in that specific language with those certain terminologies so that we can get everything in very accurate way. So before doing everything on AI, right, you have to learn project planning, scheduling, standards, basic terminologies, definitions, processes, why we call it WBS, level 2, level 3, level 4, work package, activity. This complete process should be there. And if you are like trying to get help in that perspective, like you want to learn first the skill and then you want to make this AI usage, then you should write in the comment section area. My team is going to guide you in a very appropriate way, right? So these are the things I'm giving in the instructions. Use BOQ codes as WBS codes. It was done, okay, under lowest level. If some BOQ items or work description is presenting sum of two tasks, then highlight that to further break down it. Sometimes what happens in BOQ, there is concrete quantity is given there, but that concrete quantity is the sum of the concrete quantity inside the foundation, inside the your columns and all that. So I'm just giving the information. If something is like that, you just highlight in different kind of colors or put some indicator there so that I can further refine that BOQ into the next level, right? Otherwise, rearrange sequence as per the real execution within work package activities. Like if there is a foundation, take all those BOQ items which belongs to that foundation and then rearrange as per the real industry data, like when excavation is going to be done, when leveling, all those activities should be in a aligned way. Rule. Now I'm going to mention my rule there. Like nothing should be missed out and nothing should be added extra. This is scope management, project management rule. Like I am not supposed to add anything as per my own will. No, outside of the that BOQ, nothing should be like that one, and nothing should be removed. Like I need to add each and everything as it is given in the BOQ. So add following columns. I'm just trying to help this in more appropriate way. Like I need two sheets, right? First sheet should carry WBS codes, WBS level, WBS short name, WBS full name, right? And then parent WBS, right? Create another sub sheet with following columns, BOQ reference, WBS code, take lowest level. Like I'm just telling that first sheet should be belong to different level of WBS. This is called scope baseline, right? Now the second sheet I want to generate like the lowest level of WBS, take from the first sheet and then add that WBS with further activities breakdown, right? And output must be in Excel sheet. So I'm going to copy this one, copy, and I will take this one into this Claude. And here you can see I have already done this job actually, just to save your time. Now I have uploaded this one, and better, there is one most important tip here. Better to use Claude in project wise. Like you can just go there and train your Claude in within different domains, like project for conversion of BOQ into planning BOQ, then BOQ into resources. Just create your different kind of projects and then run these prompts and upload those that kind of data. It's very easy. I can show you. I can take my BOQ. I can show you here. See, like this way. I can upload and I have to copy paste that prompt. I have explained it all in all way. And remember one thing, any two people are using same prompt, they might get different results. Why? The way they are going to train their Claude, right? The first thing, maybe they are using different kind of documents. And one more thing, one person using one Claude and can get the different results. Yes, if you are going to change anything over here, you are going to change the rule, you are going to change the output, something like that. If you are going to change something, so I keep telling people on this thing that keep using prompts with different kind of versions, just try to change them. Okay, I know Claude free version having very limited credit, so don't do like that. Just do it when you are thinking, okay, I need this kind of thing. Okay, so must do that one once in a day, right? So use some lines in your own way and check your results, right? So like this, clicking on this button, I will get this result which I have already got over here. I'm showing you what I got here. So it is giving me all the process which is already there, processing the activities and all that. And finally I got one sheet over here which I will download this one and I will show you that sheet right over here. See, this is the sheet without wasting any your time, right? So legends are there. See how sequential way, how organized way it is giving me the BOQ for planning. WBS structure is there. The first column is WBS code, WBS level, WBS short name, WBS full name, parent WBS, BOQ reference, and anything which we need to show as a red flag to justify that if anything is a sum of two or more activities, right? And further you can see in the activity list, see this is BOQ reference, further this is our reference from work package level, these are the activities. Now this is something which we were taking a lot of time, many formulas, but this is 90 to 95% is accurate thing if you are going to train today your Claude AI or any other AI model, right? You know the right documents which I need to use, the right process, right terminologies, right prompt structuring, you are there to use it for 100%. So that is one prompt I have used here. So if you need such kind of multiple prompts, just go there and subscribe this channel, because on this platform I'm not gonna stop. After this video I'm gonna upload multiple videos on multiple project with multiple methods to make prompts. So this is a platform where you are going to learn project planning, scheduling with AI for sure. So just make sure you are going to subscribe this channel and write in the comment section area if you want to claim these prompts. So I can show you an other outcome with another prompt over here. You can see over here. See, this is the same BOQ but different prompt and different results. See, this is complete BOQ master. First of all, I converted that BOQ into BOQ planning master. See, then WBS dictionary. This is another prompt, right? Then this is my complete planning and scheduling data. See, this is my design phase. This is my procurement phase. See, everything is coming from another prompt. Document is same, but prompt is different. If you want to claim this prompt as well, write in the comment section area. Make sure you are going to utilize this all techniques in your project planning and scheduling. See you in my next video.